Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 24th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure you check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the Kiwi dollar definitely did drift down pretty decently, but it did go up and it did break structure. Kind of almost looks like another three-way pullback. We cannot deny that the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. So there's probably a higher probability that this will just keep on going up. Now, I do think that the higher time frames are due for a pullback, but when your higher time frames are in an uptrend and you go down to these shorter time frames and come up with reasons to go short, more times than not, that doesn't work out. More times than not, continuing to trade with the trend is the better strategy. Now, if it does not take out this high, but instead it goes up and makes an engulf and move down and makes a lower high, then maybe we are correct about it making a bigger pullback and it's going to actually go down like we expect it will. But like I said, the higher time frames are definitely in an uptrend, so we should think that this is probably the more likely scenario. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.